Hey, what's up guys? Annalisa, and I am back with a tutorial video. It's been a while since I've done a design tutorial, so I thought I'd hop on and show you all how you can glam up a basic logo in Canva using some other tips and tricks. So I've already showed you how you can go into Canva and create a logo. Now I'm going to show you how you can use one of the basic Canva logos and kind of jazz it up or give it a little bit of a glam look. You guys know that I love design stuff and DIY design, so I wanted to share with you guys a way you can take these basic logos and kind of give them a total glow up and make it work for you and your blog or your brand. So let's go ahead and find us a logo to work with. I think I kind of already know which one I want to do because some of these are kind of just a little too bland for me, but I really like this little XOXO Cosmetics one. So we're going to use this as our little experimental logo, and I'm going to show you how you can change the typography and add some kind of metallic look or sparkle feature to the actual words itself and kind of remix the logo. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm just gonna open it up, and I don't know if you noticed, but Canva did add like a little template search within Canva, which is a lifesaver because going through this list and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling like I showed you in the first video is so annoying. So that is kind of like a new feature. So if you watch the first video, you know the first thing I do is always ungroup, and that just allows you to move the elements around freely. Now for the most part, we're gonna leave this the same because I really just want to show you how you can just make little subtle changes to remix these logos and really make them your own. Now another thing or disclaimer is that I do use Canva for work, so there may be some features that you're seeing on my screen that aren't available to you if you're on the free or the basic plan. But hey, you know, it's $12, so if you are playing around in Canva and you're just finding your flow and you feel like you're ready to bump up and get a couple of more features to make things easier for yourself, go ahead and do so. But I'm just going to highlight the XOXO here, and I'm going to change it to a font that I actually uploaded just to kind of change the look of it. Now the trick that I really wanted to show you guys today was how you can change this font and give it maybe a gold or a rose gold or a glittery look. And one of the easiest ways to do that without having any Photoshop or design knowledge is to kind of cheat and change it or apply a picture pattern to it using PowerPoint. So if you see down here, I have Microsoft PowerPoint open. So I'm going to go ahead and create a blank presentation and show you how I can take this these words and apply kind of like a gold texture to it. So once you get into PowerPoint, I always like to just delete whatever template, whatever things are here, these subtitles, and just start with a fresh text box. So I just create a text box, and I'm gonna go ahead and type that XOXO, and I have that same font that's uploaded to my Canva for Work account saved within my Mac. So I'm gonna find that font here, and I'm probably gonna make it a little bigger before I actually show you how to apply a picture effect to it to give it a gold or glitter or whatever kind of metallic look. So now that I have the actual font change, what you can do is if you highlight, well, no, don't highlight it. If you just hover over your text box and allow for your cursor to change to the cross arrow, the little crossbow, if you do a single click, a single right click, you can see that there's different little actions here that you can do, but we're going to go to shape format. So you can do it either here or up here. So we're going to format a Okay, I clicked too many times. Shape. And then in the upper right corner, you'll see an option that says Format Pane. So this is where you can get jazzy and start changing it. Now, if you're used to using PowerPoint, you know you can like make your text outline or give it a drop shadow and all that good jazz. So you can also go to your text options and add a fill to it. So we're gonna go to text options and then text fill. And then you'll see here you can select picture or texture fill, which is what's going to transform it from being a basic color black to whatever texture you choose. Now, because I've been using a gold image as my fill a lot lately, you'll see that when I click here, it's going to automatically use the last file or picture that I inserted. But you can also go to like Creative Market or Pinterest and find different textures, save them to your desktop, and use them as a picture fill. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. So let's say we want to find something like rose gold. I like rose gold. So we'll do rose gold texture and see what comes up. Okay, so this one's pretty jazzy. Yeah, it's cute. So all you have to do is just click on the pen to enlarge it, and don't actually click through to the link, but once it's enlarged, just right click on it and save the image. For now, I'm just gonna save it to my desktop because that's the easiest place to find stuff. And when you return to PowerPoint, make sure your text is selected again and you're still within that format pane. So I'm gonna go down to File, and I'm going to apply what I just downloaded. Let's see what it, ooh, that's pretty. So yeah, so that's basically how you can apply the texture or fill to your text. So the next thing that you want to do is actually save this as an image, because we don't want all this white space by exporting it. We want to just save this. So again, if you hover over it and create a cross arrow, just right click on it and go down to save as picture. I'm also going to save this to my desktop. And what we're going to do is upload this pretty thing in Canva and see if we can twerk that beauty logo and just give it a little bit of glam, okay? And voila, I mean, it's looks real simple because it kind of is real simple. But yeah, I was originally going to delete the black X's and just do the texture ones, but as I was like hovering over to match the size, it actually came out looking kind of cute like that, like a little bit of like a little drop shadow. So I'm just going to leave it like this, regroup it, you know, change the name, save it, bam, you have a brand new logo. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial today. If you enjoyed this video, please come back and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Bye.